Hello, everyone. Are you wondering about the average salary for a machinist in the United States? Let's explore. The average annual salary for a machinist is approximately $51,200, which translates to about $4,300 per month. After federal taxes, which for this income level fall into the 22% bracket, the take-home pay would be roughly $39,900 annually, or about $3,300 monthly. Where you live significantly impacts your earnings. For instance, machinists in California earn an average of around $65,000. Those in New York make approximately $62,000, and in Massachusetts, salaries average about $61,000. Conversely, states like West Virginia, with an average salary of $42,000, Florida at about $43,000, and South Dakota around $43,000, offer lower wages for this role. Experience also plays a crucial role in salary variation. Entry-level machinists with less than 3 years of experience can expect to earn around $38,700 annually. Those with 4 to 9 years of experience typically earn about $48,300 per year. For professionals with 10 to 20 years of experience, salaries average around $59,600 annually, and those with more than 20 years of experience can earn up to $60,400. Educational qualifications and certifications further influence salary potential. Machinists with advanced degrees or additional certifications tend to earn higher than average salaries, often exceeding $65,000 annually. In summary, the salary for a machinist in the United States varies based on factors such as location, experience, and education, with earnings ranging from approximately $38,700 to over $60,400 annually. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.